Hey guys, so remember you were doing today asynchronously, so we didn't have the traditional class, but I just wanted to quickly review over what you need to work on for homework. So basically what I want you to do, you're going to go into your daily agenda, you're going to click on this. The only thing I want you guys to do is I want you to click on this review of indirect characterization, listen to me talk a little bit about that. We did do this yesterday, so this is just a review, but I think it's really important that you know and understand what that means. And the second one I thought would be kind of fun is to watch Ricky Tikki Tavi, a video of it, since we just read the story. And I want you to read a book for 30 minutes, but I also want to remind you that your power up is due on Sunday. So um, make sure you're aware of that and getting that taken care of. So uh, take care of that. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I'm here for you guys.